Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll dive into how you can use a heat map to explore the results of your simulation. To view the heat map, open a simulation and in the tab menu at the bottom of your screen, open the heat map tab. A heat map is a powerful tool for visualizing simulation results. It colors elements based on the magnitude of a simulation output using a color scale that goes from hot red to cool green. Hotter colors indicate higher values, cooler colors indicate lower values. Heat maps allow you to instantly identify trends and patterns at a glance. You can visualize one output at a time, view information on the output for each element in the process, and if there's more than one diagram in the project, you can switch between them. You can zoom in and out of the heat map, and pan to focus on the area that interests you. And that's it! Now you know your way around a heat map. Why not try it for yourself? If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.